Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Be10x. This week was full of updates of AI, and I'm Antriksh with all of them. So, without wasting any time, let's jump back into them.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
So, Time Magazine has just released 200 best inventions for the year 2023. I am just going to go there and share the screen with you, and we're going to go into Time Magazine's website, and we are going to see what they were talking about. So, we're here the best inventions of 2023, 200 inventions, and they have added one full section of AI. Now, there were some disagreements, at least from my side, as to what should have been here, what missed out, what got snubbed here and there. But let us discuss what actually made the list. Photo editing outside the box. Now, of course, it means the whole generative fill and how we are able to now generate images with one prompt and stuff. So it's something that we like here even at Be10x use a lot, and it's just been seen a lot. So yeah, I mean that does make the list. Then game changing AI, of course, OpenAI, ChatGPT 4, inventive film editing. You can do the edits in a much faster way. Of course, authentic AI, eyes. Translator, that was a good one. Now, of course, stable audio has been included here as well, but I sort of disagree with it a bit. I know a lot of not a lot, though at least I still know music generation tools that do a bit better here as well. So you see, DALI 3 makes it up. Of course, audiobook collection, Humane AI Pin, Audio Shake, they do make it with the whole editing and stuff and how you can make music. I just clicked on this. Yeah, as I was saying, DALI 3 has made it to the list. Now, Midjourney, you considered Midjourney because what, in terms of generating realistic images, I think this is what that really boils down to. So now, yeah, I mean some of the disagreements, but if Time Magazine puts up a whole section of AI in the best inventions, that really tells you about the year it has been on AI. And before I move to the next sort of big update about from the AI world, I've got an even bigger thing to share with you, which is this workshop by Be10x, which is for you guys. All you need to do is you just need to click the link down below. And here are the 4 workshops that I keep talking about. They are absolutely going to change the game for you. The world is moving at a very fast pace. AI has already taken over a lot of jobs. And of course, AI will never replace you, but a person using AI will certainly replace you. And here is Be10x with their AI tools workshop, right? AI tools and GPT is going to take you to the highest level and secure your future because of us, with our help. And you know what? As you can see, it's only 9 rupees. Can you really imagine? It's only 9 rupees that you need to pay. And it's a 2-3 hour workshop. As you can see, here are all the reviews: 4.7 trust score in Trustpilot, 4.8 in Google. So many reviews. Like, there's nothing that can go actually wrong. As you can see, it's like a whole sea of knowledge that you can acquire. All you need to do is you need to click the link down below and jump into it. Now, jumping into another big update. So Rishi Sunak, the UK Prime Minister, has said that he wants to lay out a global vision for new AI. Of course, there is a big temptation for AI to go all in and stuff, but there's always a security risk. British PM defended seeking Chinese buy-in. All right. So listen. Right? That his government intends to set up a body that will investigate AI risks and share those with global partners. So they are willing to share it, and we will make work of our AI Safety Institute available for the world. So it's not just for them; it's for the whole world. And of course, it's he did talk about these AI companies like Google, DeepMind, Anthropic, and OpenAI because they are the leading sort of players in this sector. So the future vision is to secure the safety of models before they're released. Fair enough, of course. Once they're out, it really does become to control them. Now, another interesting news that I have with you guys. There you go. I mean, YouTube is going a bit sneaky, and it's trying to find ways in which that it can actually create official Drake fakes. Now, of course, it isn't just limited to Drake. It basically wants to train, and it wants the rights, first of all, from record labels to train its AI tool, in different voices. So that's going to be very interesting. Now, if YouTube gets into the game, then this whole non-mainstream industry of creating fake tracks and these songs with AI dupes. We've heard Narendra Modi's voice, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's voice. We've heard Ronaldo's voice. Yeah, you know what? So it's getting a bit out of hand, but YouTube is finding an official way to do it. I mean, that'll be pretty cool. Drake's song went online while some musicians like Grimes have embraced AI generated, many others, Sting, John Legend, Selena Gomez have called for regulations to protect their voices from being replicated without consent. Now it's a very open source thing to actually do. And you know what? I absolutely have no comments about this. Now, what I believe is that it's up to the music industry to decide. They are the ones who put their brains into it, their mind into it, their creativity into it. They should be given the free pass to actually decide, and it's going to be interesting as to how record labels approach this as well. There was also a letter to its shareholders by Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. We're going to talk about that letter in the next episode of this weekly updates, because we need a bit more to find out about that. But till the time, you can check the link down below and you can click the link and sign up for the workshop. It's only for 9 rupees and it's only going to take you 2 hours to do it. So please do sign up, and I'm going to see you in the next workshop. In the time, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit.